Namaste everybody. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on the Aparajita Stotram. Many of y'all had requested that I post the Stotram, singing the Stotram, which will be really helpful for you all. So here I am with that video. There are two Aparajita Stotrams. I will be chanting the more easier one because it will be useful for everybody. You can click on the link with which I have given you for the lyrics, and even in this video I will have the lyrics popped up, so it will be very useful for you. And there is no special editing, voice effects, nothing. It's just my raw voice. So if it is very bad to hear, then please bear with it. I am doing it because a lot of y'all had requested. So shall we start? Before we start, let's invoke Ganesha. Because you need to invoke him before anything. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Let's start chanting. I will be looking at the lyrics from my phone and we will chant. Om Namo Devye Mahadevye Shivaye Satatam Namaha. Namah Pratyay Bhadraye Nityah Pranatasmatam. Raudraye Namo Nityaye Gauryaye Dhatre Namo Namaha. Jyotsnaye Chendurupinye Sukhaye Satatam Namaha. Kalyane Pranata Vidyai Siddhye Kurmo Namo Namaha. Naitye Bhubratam Lakshmye Sarvanyate Namo Namaha. Durgaye Durgaparaye Sharaye Sarvakarinyai. Khyatye Tataiva Krishnaye Dhumraye Satatam Namaha. Ati Saumyati Raudraye Natastyaye Namo Namaha. Namo Jagat Prathishtaye Devyai Krityai Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Vishnu Mayeti Shabdhita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Chetanetyabhidhayite. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Buddhirupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Nidra Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Kshudha Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Chhaya Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Trishna Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Kshanti Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Jati Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Lajja Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai Namastasyai नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्त्यै देव्यै नमो नमः। रूपेण या कृष्ण मेतद्व्यापास्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Hope all of y'all enjoyed the stotram. Please do subscribe to the channel and share it to all of your friends so that it will be really helpful for them. Until our next video, goodbye.